Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: map intel, teammates, and enough explosives. You move in at low visibility, place a twig stack or sheet metal forward to test response. Once done, plant your first charge on the weakest wall or door, prioritize external tool cupboards and outer soft side structures. Make sure to stagger charges with 3 5-second spacing to avoid wasted detonation. You communicate simple cues: breach, cover, and loot, so everyone knows immediate roles. You maintain momentum after the first breach by moving fast but deliberate. Clear immediate rooms and check for traps while one teammate watches common flank routes. You use remaining explosives sparingly, save about half for armored doors and internal cupboards, because those yield the highest value. Once a cupboard is exposed, have the extractor start while others secure exits and watch roof access. If defenders show, you fall back briefly, reassign fire teams, then re-enter when the angle is favorable. You finish by prioritizing high-value loot and a clean escape route. Once the main stash is grabbed, distribute weight, hide remaining goods in secondary caches, and set short timers for decoy bags. Make sure to cover your retreat with suppressive fire or a smoke screen if available. This buys seconds while you exit to a preplanned vehicle or safe spot. If you trigger unexpected traps or heavy resistance, pull back to a safe distance, re-evaluate angles, then execute a controlled secondary extraction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.